Let us begin our coherent thought sequencing CE5 meditation walkthrough. Close your eyes and focus your gaze on one small area. Start by relaxing your muscles. When thoughts come to your mind, disregard them and turn your attention back to your body. Let your muscles become loose and relaxed, starting with your feet, your ankles, your lower legs, your knees, your thighs, your torso, your back, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, face, and head. Feel your body loose and relaxed. Become aware of the relaxation you feel in your legs, knees, back, shoulders, arms, hands, face, and head. Now turn your attention to your breathing. Notice each breath without trying to change your breathing in any way. Just observe and become aware. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them and let them go, returning your attention to your breathing. Breathe naturally and slowly. As your thoughts wander, simply return your attention to your breathing. Notice your breath as it flows gently in and out of your body without any effort. Acknowledge your thoughts and focus again on your breathing. Interruptions are normal. Just let these thoughts go and return your attention to your breathing. Now, I want you to start by projecting an image of yourself sitting in a chair inside of your space. It can be your home, it can be outside, wherever you are comfortable. Slowly travel upwards, looking down from hundreds of feet above your location, and project that image outwards. Travel up to several miles above your location. Appreciate what the landscape would look like. Specific landmarks and any city lights that a visitor would see from that height. Continue to rise higher and higher, projecting images of what you would see if you were at the edge of the Earth's atmosphere. Look back at Earth towards your location. Picture the outline of where you live, your country, your state, your city, the landmarks. Travel now to the outer parts of the solar system, imagining what the planets would look like from that vantage point. Now travel outside the galaxy, looking back towards the outer spiral arm of the Milky Way, where the Earth resides. Finally, go far out into deep space, looking at the Milky Way from a distance. Notice the stars, notice the peacefulness, and become aware of the space around you. Now reverse this process, projecting what you would see from your location in deep space, then at the edges of the Milky Way, then at the edges of the solar system, then just outside the Earth's atmosphere, and finally zooming down to your precise location on the Earth. Project the thought that you would like any ETs who pick up these thoughts to come and visit your location and to manifest in any way which is safe and appropriate for them. Become aware of any changes to your surrounding. Continue breathing calm and repeat the process of traveling through the galaxy